Hello, this is my individual contribution video and this is me, Faizan Majishti. During the whole project, my main focus was on collision detection, collectibles, platforms and HUD display in the Archer Man game. The collision detection mechanism is responsible for detecting interaction between the game objects so that the appropriate methods can be called. You can see on the right that this is the sequence diagram for the collision that was implemented. And how does the now let me explain you how does the collision sequence work. The collision timer is called the collision detector, which is the main algorithm. The collidables of A and B are registered with the collision detector. Then the collision detector gets the shape, that is Java polygon, of the registered collidable objects. Then it checks for the intersection of the shapes. Once the intersection is detected, if collision occurs, then it modifies the target. The collectible items were observer-based collectible items, and these collectible items are game objects that the main character Archerman can interact with. These objects provide the main character with different kind of bonuses. You can see a class diagram for all the collectible items, and they all implement collidable interface and the collectible interface. These objects are implemented using an observer pattern based approach. On every interaction, the collidable objects calls an action listener to notify the appropriate bonus method. So every time the collidable interface detects a collision for one of the collectibles, the collectibles is told to notify the Archerman of any collectibles that it has collected. Platforms. Platforms are the basic ground objects on which the main character can walk, jump and die. So these are the platforms that our Archerman can walk. In implementation, every platform object holds a collider that is used to prevent the other game objects falling down because there is gravity implemented in the game. And on some special platform, the character die. For example, the Pits of Despair platform. This is a Pits of Despair platform, and every platform is basically a game object which implements a collidable interface and a platform interface. The collidable interface is used to detect the collision of all the game objects with the platform, so in order to not make them fall down the platform. And the platform interface is used to get the width and the height of the platforms. HUD display. Heads-up display items include status bar that were implemented by me. These special HUD items serve the purpose of displaying a finite amount of time during which the character possesses special powers. On the right, you can see a sequence diagram of one of the special HUD items. So how does this sequence work? Once collision is detected between the corresponding collider and corresponding collectible and an Archerman, the collectible collider uses the boostable interface to set the boostable health of Archerman to true. Once that has been set to true, the Archerman notifies the boostable status bar to start drawing itself on the screen using the special timer. That's it. Thank you.